What's up? This is nobody.
Hey, yo! Take a good look.
Yeah, people, it's a good look TV, and we're in a Porus Manchester, out of Rasta cook shop, right? So we're gonna take a look at what going on out of Rasta cook shop on a Friday and see the vibe, right? Stay tuned. Yeah, Rasta. So right now we're there at your shop. It's a good look.
Preparation for the day when I come cooking in the morning, yeah. Yeah. Right now when I cook prepare some food for come out of the kitchen in the morning, yeah. You see me I say?
Okay.
So right, come forward.
Yes, sir.
We have some cooked food there, like banana, yam and dumpling.
Good.
That are gong provision. I just see it, gong provision.
Right.
Right there, so we have some curry chickens. Cook and done ready for serve for the people them when them come on look more like 12 o'clock.
Look at
yeah,
that
man,
paper.
pretty bossy. Curry chicken. Right just now we have rice and peas, so we have put on rice and cook peas and cook like trouble over there, so. Naturally red peas with garlic, I go and cook coconut milk. I go in a 2 veggie chunks over here, so.
Okay.
Veggie chunks, 2 browns, 2 veggie chunks right here, so. I simmer down, anytime ready for serve.
Wow.
Just like that over here, so. Grate the coconut. See the coconut grater there?
Okay.
See the grater up there on this part where we hang up there, so what we use and grate the coconut.
Right.
So this is the coconut juice to go with the rice and peas. Where this aside is to make some vegetable.
Yeah.
See it here? Natural vegetable, lettuce and salad. And sweet pepper. That is it.
Wow.
Our natural vegetable. Brown rice we are going to cook. See them over here, so. Brown rice.
Eat the paper.
Brown rice we are going to cook.
Healthy rice.
Yeah, we not parboiled rice them call it, but a brown rice the way you don't know. That one that we eat, we not bother use the white rice because it have too much starch in it. Just like that.
What else is on the menu for today at the shop?
And the soup, me have all the soup.
You have soup? Alright.
Red pea soup rice, that's already the coconut milk cooking.
That is it.
Yeah man, pumpkin and breadfruit and Irish and
Everything in there.
yeah. Food they call sip, we call it. A sip we call it.
Well, it's a good look, Rasta.
No, me.
Plant there, so where you have to sell them? Eh?
Plant and sell them, yeah, start by farm, that's come off.
People take a look at the shop. Yeah, Rasta settings. Yeah, it's a good look. So, them little style, I know. Soup.
Yes, sip we call it.
Somebody can come buy a soup from you at the
Yes
shop?
man, at any time now soup ready.
Alright, how you sell it?
200 a cup and big cup of $350.
Okay.
Ground food, me sell them for $650 a box, small box, bigger food, me sell it for $800 a box. Now you have the container them in 3 different container, 3 different package. We have them for $650, that are the small ones, see them here? So we deal with them. These are the small ones. These are for $650 for your food when a client come in the shop.
Okay.
And this one here, $800 when the client them come in the shop, see them here?
Okay.
2 different boxes.
Right.
Yes.
So you have one for 800, which is a big box.
Yes, it is the big box. And
One
this one
for
for
$650.
$650.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's a good look, Rasta.
So
It's a good look.
I didn't have the canteen me there for today.
Alright. Doing it, right?
Doing it. Definitely it's a good look, people. See there? Alright, there. So see the chicken them we're gonna fry. Put them in the bucket seasoned up. Don't joke. Chicken them in the bucket seasoned up, you go fry.
Yeah. Wow.
Cut up and nice, you go fry.
Wow. So that's a later bag
Yeah,
here,
we're
right?
gonna fry chicken to a jerk chicken.
Alright, people. You heard that? Stay tuned. More things coming up.
Look more.
It's a good look.
Just like that. The juicy coconut over here, so for doing the rice and peas, same way.
Okay.
So we do it, squeeze the coconut. Squeeze the coconut like this to squeeze out the juice out of it. Every morning cold, we use a warm water and stretch out the coconut milk out of the coconut just because I don't know, so when the morning cold, the coconut milk them kind of not come out of the coconut as though you want it. Like if I say kind of cold, so you don't have no power in the night, no heat in the night to juice it out. So now we just come and punch it out like this and get out the whole and milk out of it. That's how we deal with it.
You do delivery?
Yes man, I do delivery man. Oh. Man, we have a
So here what people, we're going to leave a number in the description of the video. Whoever want to contact Rasta, when you see the bar game where I go on, it's a good look.
Yeah man.
All type of style.
That's
So,
like authentic.
authentic.
Authentic,
Yeah, man.
natural long dirt food of a shop named Shop of Gibraltar. Shop of Gibraltar.
That is
natural long dirt food.
Real way.
Yeah, 650 and 800.
Alright, give me 650.
You want a little piece in it?
fried chicken.
Yeah, want a little bleach pin, you know what I call bleach pin? That thing they would then call name the dumb thing. But you don't use the dumb thing, use a name for it name, bleach pin. Because we don't use dumb thing in our pot around here. And the real bleach pin like this, one of them small so you can eat all two of them. Them very small, them not big enough.
Yeah.
Small.
What you say? First order for the morning.
Yeah. First
Grown
going out.
provision.
Yeah. Banana and yam, you know.
Next banana here?
Neck banana.
No banana for the Empress.
You want a piece of cassava?
No.
No cassava.
You have sweet potato?
No, me I go with banana yam and
Give me yam.
alright.
Boy, it's a good look, Rasta.
Definitely.
I know you sell soda and them thing that, right?
Yes, sell some little soda and big soda.
Water and them little style.
Water.
Some people you get a food, you get something to drink. You understand? The whole of vibes. It's a good look. Yeah, fire. So what you are doing now?
You put in a pot to fry some chicken, you know?
Okay.
And you have to season up the rice in the meantime, see it speed.
So this is the chicken pot.
Yeah, this is the pot where you fry chicken.
Okay.
And this are the this are the sweet, this are the season for season up the rice, like
See
a
it,
little ginger, a little sweet pepper, no sweet pepper, that's how we spice it, a little thyme,
And
a
this
little
go
pepper
in the rice?
in the rice.
Okay.
That's how we spice it. A little sweet pepper, a little ginger and thyme and scallion and pepper in the rice. That's how it look, people.
Boy, people, it not only look good, but it smell good as well, yeah?
It's a good look, people. See the coconut boil till it bring. What's up with they call him custard?
Yeah.
Coconut real boil till it bring cream. Cream.
Yeah, fire. What going on now?
Yeah, man, that's some rice. Rice me I wash up and stuff. Because some people not even wash rice properly. But if you have to wash the rice properly, that's when you throw the second or third water and turn on the pipe like. And you see the third water, you can look through the rice itself in the container when it come out. You see, that's how we rub the scrub rice. The scrub rice different from some people. The scrub rice. The rice have a thing there, you have a little dirt in it and it's full of starch. Read it.
Real, yeah.
Eat them. Dash it. Dash have them water there for rice.
When you wash them rice, how much time you wash it?
3 times, you turn on water till the rice get clean crystalline water.
Yes, sir, Rasta. Chicken up on fire, you know?
Yes.
Fried chicken, look at that paper.
Chicken we are fried.
Wow.
I bag it in a, throw it in a bag like this. With the flour and baking soda. Baking powder with a little more, with a little seasoning in it, and the baking powder to keep it on a level, not do the sauce of flour. You drop it in the pot like that. Chicken up fried.
That is it.
See the chicken up fried.
Fire well up.
Fire. Nominant.
It's a good look, man.
Yeah, they are well presentable.
Look at that paper.
These are colorful.
Wow. And this is for $6.50 for one of this food.
Yeah, man.
Talk to me, people. Look at that. It's a good look, man.
Belly full.
I say I buy a food from Bo. That is it.
Yeah.
Rasta done a good job.
When you look at presentation of your friend,
Rasta done a good job.
It's a good look.
Rasta done a good
what food flavor, what food taste.
job. Active Rasta.
That is it. That is it.
Yes, my elder. I see I beat one of the soup there. How the soup taste, my boss?
Man, the soup ready, man. When you see me have to say it twice, me I tell you have to sit down and drink some soup.
Oh gosh, what you say? It's a good look.
The soup ready, man. Yeah, go with it.
Good look, sir.
Good look, beautiful.
Alright,
Beautiful.
alright.
Go on, same way.
Up.
Up.
When we start to jerk, you know.
Well, it's a jerking time.
Yeah, we have to start to put on 2 pieces of chicken on the grill. So it's set on the grill. We have a grill, you know, we don't have a jug, you know. The grill we have, we don't use the jug, you know, we use the grill.
That is it. See the paper. Well seasoned.
Well seasoned, blem up season. We made from 2 days ago.
That is it.
2 days ago. We are the old timer. See that? We have people so them big and pretty on the grill. Up on the front with them.
Put it on the front. And what you say? The chicken them they put on the jerk pan. Maybe so I go on for them.
Ready, man.
They ready?
Ready and go. Ready to move up on the grill.
Look at that paper.
No birds.
Wow.
Well, jerk. And the grill, you know. And the grill do this and the grabber.
Judge and know.
Let them look. Let me flip them for you.
Nothing a burn up.
See there?
Boy, it's a pity the people them can't smell this.
Press them big as they say, well juicy. Yeah. I'm taking yourself by the quarter and one come and any money when I'm having up, you chop off piece and give them. I don't know, you know.
Yeah.
And everybody have a big lick.
Yeah.
Yo, so we have to do that to support the people them like any much more him have to pay and buy much to give this. Every man have a chain pay, you look at one with game pay.
Yeah.
But you know why? 1,000 a quarter for chicken. Some people that say the big place they had 1,500 a quarter.
Yeah.
Don't know that survival you are dealing with. So instead of quarter for a man for the wheel at certain hours, 1,000 we say.
Believe.
3,000.
That is it. Yeah, people. That's the end of the video. To today's segment. Give thanks to all of you who are watching the video. All of you who like the video. All of you who are telling a friend to tell a friend, right? Remember, you know, it's a Good Look TV. Your boy Marsh there with you. And more, you know, remember, subscribe, share, and like, right? And for all of the Good Look TV family, pick up on yourself. Until next time, remember, keep it a good look.